Let's dive into OBD II installation. Before you get started installing the device, make sure you download the app, choose the dealer solutions if you haven't selected it before, and log in with your Ikon credentials. Click the Install tab and scan the device's serial number barcode. From there, enter the stock number, store group, VIN, color, vehicle type, and odometer reading. Review everything on the confirmation screen before hitting complete. Next, you should look over the device. Remember, the device needs to be placed with the "This Side Up" label facing up. This helps the device get the best satellite signal. Connect the power cable to the device, then just plug it in. Now it's ready for installation. You will need to locate the OBD II port. In most cases, the Ikon device plugs directly into this port using the included adapter. If the vehicle needs an additional harness, make sure you have it on hand and connected correctly. Once you have plugged in the device, look for blue and green lights flashing on the device. This is completely normal. They'll blink for about 20 to 30 seconds before turning off. Even when the lights stop blinking, the device is still powered and fully operational. Next, it's time to secure the device using the zip ties. You will need to attach the unit firmly to the location and make sure the wires are bundled up neatly, away from any moving parts or sharp edges. A clean and tight install prevents wear and tear, reduces the risk of tampering, and keeps the device safely in place during normal vehicle use. The installation location should not be directly under or up against any metal surfaces that can impede the signal of the device. Make sure the area of installation is open above the device for optimal performance. Lastly, if you removed any interior panels or trim pieces during the installation, carefully reassemble them following the vehicle's manufacturer guidelines. And make sure that everything looks like it did before you started the installation. You will need to program the device on the Ikon Install app, exactly like the wireless and terminal devices. The installation is not complete until the device is paired and the complete button is pressed in the app. Pro tip: have the installation app open and ready. Also make sure that you're using the installation app before installing the device in a concealed area. The more you go through the installation process, the easier it will be, and it will become a regular part of your checklist.